if I go back to my time when I grew up, it seems crazy the kinds of things I did, change-wise, right? Not staying in one place, doing different things. I think Anu is the same way. So maybe that's the reason why change is something we welcome. So when Antaram came up, there was the same idea that it will be sort of take all the learnings from here and do it better. So yeah, we said we'll jump in with both feet. So yeah, we didn't buy one, we bought two houses actually. I decided to come back after about 20 years or so in the US, and we felt like this would be a good time to go back. Kids were, actually we couldn't do it any later than that. My older daughter was already a teenager. So we said, let's try another adventure. And I still remember the conversation me and Anu had, is everything fine over here? Why should we do this? And I said, yeah, let's just go do it. And that's how we ended up in India. And Hyderabad was again a choice. I'm not from Hyderabad, but it's a place that would have more infrastructure support, that what they call soft landing for my kids, because I wanted them to have a good life. So that's why we chose Hyderabad, even though I'm from Mumbai.
When we came here, like, okay, you have to drive on the left. Remember, you have to drive on the left. Now it's like, you're just looking at the potholes. Which one is smaller?
I think the path to coming back to a place like Oregano and stuff like that, I think that all happened quite by accident actually. We knew we wanted to live in a place which will be out with a little bit of land and things like that. But this whole notion of, clean living, organic living and having a goshala, all that was something that just all came together very, very, it's not like we knew we wanted it and we started looking for it. It just happened quite by accident. And we've been here through the whole journey actually as when it started. I think we were one of the early, buyers in the project. In fact, I remember there was a whole notion about shade, motorized shade that could, give light and all that. And very ahead of its time in many ways. Like a funny story I'll tell you about my friend in the US. I tell him, I live in a place that's like a resort. And then finally one day he told me, it is not like a resort, it is a resort.
My kids do see the difference. They feel like, we look more relaxed. I think part of it is age, part of it is, all the experiences in life. And Oregano is an experience in life.
For me, the big change has been, getting back into cooking. And in fact, Anu doesn't like that. I said, we should just go get the vegetables from the plant and then cook it. And, there shouldn't be any, pressure cookers and, refrigerators and all that. We should just eat fresh and just, that's where we want to get to. So that, I would never imagine even thinking about all those things back, when we were living in the city, where everything is about time and efficiency. Here is about taking more time to do things. And so that change, I don't think would have happened unless we moved to a place like this, which sort of makes you stop and think about what you're doing.
So when, every Wednesday and every Sunday, you get like this whole boatload of vegetables, you have to figure out what to do with it. Sometimes just the vegetables with bread. And if you're eating cereal, then what do we do? Okay, so I made some salad. Or like yesterday, we just had soup with bread. So I had like this big pumpkin. I told the guy, I want the smallest pumpkin, and that was the smallest one. So you have to figure out ways of using all these, whatever you can use it in the raw form or, make soup out of it. We're learning how to use a lot of these vegetables.
We had brought our bicycles from the US and they didn't get used, so we sold them. When we came to Oregano, we actually ended up buying new bicycles because of all the places around we could, even though now it's almost 3-4 years now. So the roads are not as good as they used to be now, but still much better than the city. So we go cycling, that's a change. Getting back into fitness, easy access to the gym, and very good gym by the way, which I helped design. I'll take credit for that. Our kids tell us, you got a glow on your face. All that is, I think, part of living in a place like this where you can worry less about what's coming and, clean living, clean air. Those things people tend to take for granted, but it's actually true, makes a difference. I do believe that our health has improved staying here. We live a lot longer if you lived here. There definitely has been a difference in our life. When we went to Pune, it was again one of those changes that we wanted to do because the job was a smaller company, a bigger position, a smaller company. I'd never done that in my career. So we did find in a small community with the flats and villas. They call them row houses there. There are lots of greenery around it. It was 20 years old. They had a little park inside it. So it was a small place, but it was well set up. But what I missed the most is the quiet. I mean, it was always very noisy because the highway was right behind the house. There's always noise, a lot of light, and you are in the middle of everything, so you can't really get away from it all.
I have the habit of just leaving the screen windows and screen doors so that you always have this cross ventilation, which I love here in Nandi. But there at night when I'll do that, you could hear so much traffic. So I really miss that peace and quiet. Here it's like, when you sleep, you just see the, beautiful sky, stars, sometimes moon. And when we moved back, I remember the first day when we moved, Shrish sat on the dining table here and said, Anuj, you notice something? I'm like thinking some deep question he's asking, I'm like thinking, what? It's like the quiet. So I think that's definitely I miss that. I think when I heard about it, I didn't think about Antaram at all. But there were a few things. I think I was talking to Rakesh and Nagesh. And I think Vijaya sometimes, and then I was listening to how things are, going and what the new plans and everything is.
We like the concept of the clusters and not the cars not going around and the solar panels not being on your house. All those things are going to be improvements of what we find here. Like we are debating a lot as a community how to put speed breakers. Like the half of them don't want it, the other half want it. And in Antaram, the problem won't exist. Right? That's some of those things that we feel will be a better way of living.
I also loved when I went there, I saw the creek and I fell in love with the creek. That water body there seemed like such a natural thing. And I don't know how much of it is going to be part of one of the houses that we have chosen. It seems like the creek runs in the back of it. I'm already visualizing things like how the backyard should be, So I'm looking forward to some of the things that are not here or that have changed over the years. It'll probably be different. You're always thinking something better. It'll be, hopefully.